Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And we have with us again our special friend.
Hi, I'm Carlina.
What are we making today?
Today we are making sock snow people. So here's a nice stuffed snow person. Okay.
All right. So before we start our snow person, we're going to begin with a breath to get us ready. So we're going to start with our bottom of our big round snowman, and we're going to breathe in and go up to the top of the snowman's head. And then the sun comes out and melts the snowman away, and we're going to breathe out.
Okay.
All right, so we'll do that 2 times. So we'll start with our big round snowman. Breathe in. And it melts. One more time. And breathe out.
Really nice. I liked that.
Yeah.
Good.
So what supplies do we need?
A white sock, rice, 2 rubber bands or string, markers, ribbon or an extra sock, optional, buttons, beads, glue. Okay, so what is the first step?
So the first step is to start filling our sock. So you can use rice. I have orzo, which is like rice. You could use beans, corn kernels. So to fill it, I use sometimes, if I don't have a funnel, I cut off the bottom of a soda bottle, and it works really great as a funnel. So I'm going to put that inside the sock.
That's such a good idea, because the way I filled mine is I just cut the corner off the bag and held it open. And a lot of the rice went in the sock. A lot of the rice didn't go in the sock. But anyway, I like your idea.
Yeah, so that works out really good. So then I put my orzo in here. And look, I didn't spill any.
Wow.
So it goes all the way to the bottom. And then you can either keep stuffing it with rice or whatever you're stuffing it with. I'm going to stuff mine with this like pillow stuffing that comes in a bag because I happen to have it. And so I just needed to put enough rice in mine so that it will stand up. And now I'm going to start stuffing it.
Okay. And so Carlina and I already filled ours with rice. You want to make sure you leave space at the top. So you want to fill it till about here. And then Carlina, what's the next step?
So we're going to take your rubber band or one of the rubber bands you have, and you're going to go like this in the middle, find a good spot that you like, and make sure your rice doesn't spill out the top for the head. And then you're going to put the rubber band where you left, where your hand is.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, you might lose
Sorry.
a little.
I might lose a little.
Yeah.
And so when I made my one last night, I didn't have rubber bands, so I just used yarn or string to tie it, and that worked.
Yeah. All right. Looks good. And then what do you do next, Carlina, with the rubber bands?
And then you're going to put another rubber band up on the top, like right here, right where your rice ends.
Okay. And that's going to be the hat.
Yeah.
Okay, so Peggy, we're going to keep doing this while you're.
I know, I'm gonna keep stuffing my snowman.
Okay, all right. And then I'm going to show you what's next. So it'll look like something like this. You have 2 parts. Yep. And then there's a few things you can do for the hat. What you can do is just fold the top of the sock enough that it covers the top, and then you'll have room for your face. But what I did on this one is I had an extra sock. So because I have so many extra one sock that I can't find the match. So I just cut the toe off a second sock and used it to make a hat. So now mine has a hat.
I like
That's
that.
a good idea.
Different color.
Yeah, that's such a good idea. And
Thanks.
for mine, I'm gonna color it with marker. Yeah.
Okay. And then what I did also when I made the hat yesterday of this one, I cut the rest of the sock up and to make a scarf. So that's how I got the scarf on this one. So now I'm going to put a scarf on this
Right,
one too.
and you can use, like I used ribbon for my scarf,
Yeah. that's-
and then you can, like I used buttons and glue dots to put them on, or you could, I think, what did you use, Gail, for your buttons?
For my buttons, I have a whole thing of beads. And so I just glued my buttons right onto the body.
Yeah, I had some beads too for my buttons, and for my scarf, I'm using yarn.
Oh, that's a good idea. And then for the face, I just use marker, just orange and black.
And I cut out some eyes if you want to, and a nose and a mouth.
Great.
So then you can glue those on.
Right.
I had some googly eyes and a little pom-pom for my nose.
Oh, that's cute.
So you can really use whatever materials you have around your house to
Yes.
add decorations or accessories to your snowman. You can add hair if you want
I
with
know, I was
yarn.
thinking about doing hair. What I do want to add is a little joke.
But yes,
Okay, while you're working. And I'm going to be finishing mine up in a little while. And then I have two. I love this craft. What do snow people call their kids?
what do snow people call their kids? I have no idea.
Children. Like,
I like that.
I like that too.
thank you. Well, thank you
It's a
both
good one.
for showing the steps. I
Yeah,
can't wait to see how they come out.
I know, I have to just finish my
Oh, that's
one I
cute.
was starting today.
Great. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye.